Guys, we are back at it again. And I know say once camera show waiting the follow and now waiting updates.
Together with my lovely crew members, we don't welcome on the ZB now. Everybody wait for us on top this movement. Don't enter aeroplane. They don't load all our bags and put inside. And the road clear.
Good. So the update we did today. Now about what? Auxiliary power unit. The one what we call the short form APU. Person being asked for comment section how it dey work. So now the update where I want bring come to now today. Like I am, wetin dey call am? Auxiliary power unit. Auxiliary means waiting. Auxiliary means help, assistant. So wetin be that APU? APU be like person wey dey drive car. Your engine dey work, or you carry generator. I pass my neighbor generator put for inside boot. In case your engine no work again, or you no bring light again, or you no do anything, you go on your generator, use them at least get light for inside your car. A simple explanation now they give you like this. No be. Anyways, so the auxiliary power unit, the best way I will take describe am, wetin e dey do and how e dey do am. I say e dey help us do like three to four things. Number one, e dey give us electricity for inside the aeroplane. Number two, e dey give us air conditioning. Number three, e dey give us bleed air. Bleed air na that air wey dey enter for engine, wey dey take start, wey dey use start engine. And number four, e dey help dey give us pressurization for higher altitude. Let's say one of our engine fail, then we go on the APU as backup. Because all these three things now wey I don mention, the engine dey give am and more, but na only the three na im APU dey give. Wetin the engine dey give wey the APU no dey give na wetin? Na thrust. You know that thrust na wetin? Na force, acceleration. You know, dey help dey move the aeroplane, but e dey help dey provide the other items dem wey I mention. The engines dey provide them, but the engine for the APU, the engines dey provide them, dey provide thrust, dey give force for the aeroplane. For the APU, they provide them, but you know they give force to the aeroplane. Somebody don't ask, what is the difference between the APU and RAT? Update for that one, they come shortly. If you need that one, drop them under the comment section. All right. So now this 3 to 4 items where I mentioned, say APU, they do. Number one, now waiting electricity. We go make them practical. Make una remember, say anything I'm telling you about aeroplane, some are general features that you can see on every other aeroplane, while some are specific to just the aeroplane that I fly, which is the Embraer E195E2. So for the purpose of this, some of them that are general, which are those other features I mentioned, almost all the APUs does that, to the best of my knowledge, unless, you know, if there is any other aircraft that doesn't have those, the APUs doesn't supply those features. I'm yet to know. But for this aircraft, it has all these features. Now, take this to this place. We have on this aircraft what we call this our television. I know say we get like 4 fine televisions for here. This one, we can divide it into 2. Here is the ACAS. ACAS is Engine Instrument Crew Alerting System. 9 day here. 9 they tell us everything. Then this is the primary engine instrument. But here, this page now here be the MFD, where you go see both the map, like I show now. Now here we dey see where we dey go and all that. Then you carry and come here. It will give you what we call the synoptic page. Synoptic now, the systems then where they the aeroplane. Now, This one is the electric page. I'm talking about what? Electricity. So the way the APU they give the aircraft. If you look here, this is Gen 1. And the shape of this thing now waiting engine. Engine 1, the one where they the captain side. Now be this. You say they on now, here go they green, but it's white now. This side is Gen 2, that's generator 2. You say the engine 2 they on, here will be green and be distributing lights. You know, distributing these currents. Every other place that is green in color. Or here, if you bring it closer very well, zoom it in, you will see this in APU and is green. Light is green means what? Life. Light is going through here, through the APU, supplying the AC bus 1, supplying the AC bus 2, take it down to the AC essential bus, all the way TRU, blah, 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 supply, even they charge the battery them. TR1, the DC bus 1, DC bus, DC essential bus, battery 1. So this APU is supplying all the equipment where they inside this aircraft. Now with what? With light. All right. The second thing it does is what? It gives what? Air conditioning. Let me come to the page of ECS. ECS now environmental control system. Good. If we come to this page again, you still see we have the engine. We have engine 1, we have engine 2, and here is the APU. You see now the APU is supplying air condition, cooling the forward cargo bay. I'm here. In case if you carry dog, or carry cat, or carry snake, or carry any live animal, will be your pets, or even carry rats. Okay? Now here they go put them for you. So that AC go they blow them, make you no cuckoo die. The air wey go dey blow am na from the APU. They supply the air. It take am go this way, anywhere wey green dey, e come here, e come go up. Here na pack 1. This pack 1 na where the AC wey dey supply for inside this our cockpit, inside this our office, dey be this. E still continue enter here. Pack 2 na in dey supply cabin, that place where una dey sit down. In the supplier. All right. So whenever we start the engine, okay, this one now for the air conditioning. Now for the bleed, where the thing they work, where the thing they supply, the bleed air that the APU also supplies. Once we start engine, for some persons that are always asking, I've dropped a post on that about or I'm still to drop a post about that. If you need that post, let me know. Why is it that the cabin goes quiet after some time? Some time before they start the engines of the aeroplane. I will soon drop update on that. So from here, once we want to start the engine, now the bleed air from the APU again, now we go use supply to give the pressure inside this engine where we go use starter. So instead of this green going right now, you no go right again, you go left, supply bleed air, give the give the engine. We start the engine, engine don't pick up, it don't start. The engine go now take over the pack. You go cut off this one, you go block them. If we want start this one again, you go still cut them off again, still supply this one air. You go use and do waiting, start this engine. If you start and finish, you go cut off the APU from here. This one and this one go now, they supply the air, they give the parts. All right. So you don't say I don't explain bleed, I don't explain air conditioning. 2 of them give one now. All right. So now waiting the APU they do. At that point, once these 2 engines start, by the logic of this aeroplane, automatically these 2 will take over the pack system. Cut off this one. Only here, now it go dey green. Only here. But this valve go now close, just like the way this one take close. All right. If that one finish, then the other one will remain. Now waiting. Now the pressurization. The pressurization. Now when we dey airborne, maybe one of the engine fail. Now we can one use the APU to as backup for electricity and air conditioning and pressurization inside the car. If you never watch my video about pressurization, if you never watch them, please indicate on the comment section so that I will send you the link so that you go and watch that video. The full video is on my YouTube channel. The snippet is on the other platforms. So if you don't see them for there, please try and go to the YouTube channel, subscribe, click the notification button, like, share. Anything you are learning from my platform, please try to send it along to your brothers and sisters, anybody that will care to know, especially people where they fear flying, or people who want to know more about flying. On my page, you will get to learn a whole lot about that. All right, so subscribe to Captain Callistus on YouTube and you get to learn a whole lot about aviation. Okay, so the pressurization, please also check on my YouTube page. You will see it, or if you need it, drop it under the comment section. I will send you the link. You watch it so that you understand why and how this bed or this tube or this balloon they carry all of us there for 30-something thousand feet without any stress. We'll still be enjoying flexing and doing all whatnot till we land for a long distance, long time, and all that. Okay, so please do that. Do me a favor to do that. All right, and you will get to understand more about pressurization and what the APU, because it's the air that the APU also supplies at those higher altitude in case if we lose any of our engine as backup and we need it to supply medicine. That one is another procedure on its own, but for the pilots, definitely everybody has to be safe. All right, so those are basically the functions of the APU. And how does it work? We look here, this overhead panel, this one go to plenty for an eye, but APU now you get here, sha. Now you get here, APU control now be this one. All right, fire extinguisher now in case if you catch fire, and the switch to on and be this. You look here, you will see off, on, starts. All right, so once we turn this switch to on, you go activate the APU. If you put it to start, the doors go open. It will open the door, then start to suck in air. There is a door, a small door towards the tail section of the aeroplane. Almost every aeroplane has that same feature. Take this to this and zoom close to the APU, the tail section. When I see that nozzle way there for the tail, that nozzle now be the exhaust of the APU. By the time we finish this video, I will also take you to show you the exhaust nozzle. Yes, good. That is the exhaust nozzle of the APU. By the time we finish this video, I will also go down and show you guys the exhaust and the APU location also of this particular aircraft. Majority of the aircraft, they have the APU located at the tail section. All right, so that is it for it. So there is a door. We cannot see the one for this one here. There is a door, a small door. From that door, ambient air will enter inside the APU. It's called the APU inlet door. Now there air go from enter inside on the wind this thing until it gets to the appropriate speed. It starts. Once it starts, it will supply from here, from this box. We will see this our APU indicator box. It will tell us from here. It will continue to rise from 0 till 100%. Then it will start to give us supply light, supply the air conditioning that is needed inside the aircraft. All right, so that is basically how it works, what it works or what it does, and the way we use it. All right, every other this thing, that one are for the pilots. If you want to know further, and be say you go enter flying school, where you go do type rating. Know the remaining ones that were concerned the APU. All right, so that is just it for it. A brief explanation for that. So if you need further explanation, I beg, or if you have any further question, drop them under the comment section. All right, so that once we see that, we bring up the updates to you guys. All right, I still love you all, Captain Callistus, always. So guys, let me show you the door, the APU inlet door. You see this small door here now that is open. Good. That is the APU air inlet door. Now, the APU inside, where we go close, where we see them. The tail section, like I yarn on, I be this one. And the APU be this. Now I show now the place where they from the service am. You look here, you will see the numbering on the door. This is 4, 2, where the other number. And on this side, you get another number. And this part is the nozzle, the tail section, the nozzle, the exhaust. I believe so the APU is inside this door. Yeah. Okay? That is it. For the E195 E2. Alright? Sapro Pro. See you guys.